Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between balance sheet and profit-loss account. A balance sheet, or otherwise known as a position statement. It is a statement which shows the financial position of the company on a specific date. It lists all the ownership, which are assets, and owings, which are liabilities of the company. A profit and loss account, on the other hand, is an account that shows the revenue earned and expenses sustained by the company during the course of business in a financial year. So, let's look into the basic differences between balance sheet and profit-loss account in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A balance sheet is a statement that discloses the financial position of its assets, liabilities, and capital on a specific date. Whereas, a profit and loss account is an account that shows the revenue and expenses of the firm from business operations during a financial year. Number 2. Because a balance sheet is a statement and not an account, it can be drawn up vertically or horizontally. On the other hand, a profit and loss account is an account. You must be wondering why a balance sheet is a statement and not an account. So, an account is created on the basis of journal entries, but a balance sheet is based on closing balances of the accounts and not journal entries. Number 3. Balance sheet represents the financial position of the business on a particular date, whereas a profit and loss account represents profit earned or loss suffered by the business for the accounting period. Number 4. Balance sheet is prepared at the end of the financial year, whereas a profit and loss account is prepared for the financial year. Number 5. Information disclosed in balance sheet includes assets, liabilities, and capital of shareholders, whereas information disclosed in profit and loss account includes income, expenses, gains and losses. And difference number 6. When it comes to sequence, we prepare a trading account first, then we prepare a profit and loss account. After that, we start preparing a balance sheet. All in all, a balance sheet is a statement of assets and liabilities. In contrast, the profit and loss account is an account that shows revenues and expenses for the period. So, the profit and loss account presents the net results of business activity during an accounting period. So, these are the differences between balance sheet and profit-loss account. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.